Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Nik Collection, complete guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Nik Collection, first, ensure that any applications linked to Nik Collection are closed. Open the control panel on your computer. On Windows, click on Programs or Programs and Features. Locate Nik Collection in the list of installed programs. Click on it to highlight the program. Then, select the Uninstall option at the top of the list. Follow the prompts in the Uninstallation wizard. If prompted, confirm that you want to remove the software. Once the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer to finalize the process. For Mac users, start by closing any applications that use Nik Collection. Open Finder, then click on Applications in the sidebar. Locate the Nik Collection folder within the Applications directory. Drag the Nik Collection folder to the trash. To ensure complete removal, right-click on the trash and select Empty Trash. If additional files were stored in Preferences, navigate to your user library. Open the Preferences folder and look for any files related to Nik Collection. Delete those files to ensure a clean uninstallation. Restart your Mac to complete the removal process. This will effectively uninstall Nik Collection from your system. If you encounter any issues, consider checking online forums for additional support. You have now successfully uninstalled Nik Collection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.